adventure? Where shall it lead?
We are going to Mountain. See what's going on over there.
All right. So Palomar Mountain it is. If you guys are wondering what Palomar is, it's a volcano. Oh, good God in heaven. You guys hear that squeak? We need something new.
It's fine.
So, what were you just doing? Why is it following my face? I don't, oh my God. Okay, so hi everybody. Since it won't let me do it, I'm just gonna, you know what, I'm gonna record it on this one too. There we go. So now we're recording it on both. But it's following my face, so I can go over here or over here. Yay, look at me. Go over another goddamn pothole.
It's not my fault. It's pothole central.
If we had good shocks with this car, we might be able to handle those a lot easier. Which reminds me of the sponsor of the day, you. What?
You're fine.
Alright, we're on the top of Kilimanjaro.
Kilimanjaro.
Yeah, it's crazy. You want to see? I'm about to show you guys what Silent Hill looks like. If you don't know what Silent Hill is, well, go look it up.